I just want you to take a practice shot. Okay, how was that, alright? Yeah. Alright, now you're going to operate that bolt. Remember I told you how to operate that bolt?
Brian, right here.
Huh? Use your hand here. And you got to operate this bolt here.
Yo.
Pull it up. Pull it back, push forward, lock it down. Right now you are ready to shoot, okay? Alright. I don't want to shoot. Give it a little, there you go. Oh! Take your time when you shoot, okay?
Are you aiming it or you just shooting?
No, I'm shooting the number.
He's trying to aim it.
Oh, what I'll do, here.
Vibration, right?
Yo, look at him. That nigga flies back, man.
How was that, alright? How'd you like it?
Yo, I gotta shoot that.
Anybody else want to try?